Welcome students to the world of English grammar. Today we are going to discuss the topic conjunctions of 3rd and 4th standards by Madam Meenu. So let's get started. So before knowing what is conjunctions, let's read this story. Reena and Ricky are the best friends. They like to play cricket or hockey. Yesterday they didn't play because Reena was ill. The doctor prescribed some medicines to Reena, but she didn't take because she doesn't like its taste. In this passage, the word and, or, because, but are the examples of conjunctions. Children, the word conjunction is made of two parts, co plus junction. Co means together and junction means joining. So, those words that help to join a pair of words or a pair of sentences together are called conjunctions. Examples: and, but, or, because, for, so, yet, either or, neither nor, etc. Let's understand the conjunctions which are used more often. First and foremost, and. And is used to join words or sentences that are similar. For examples, Anna and Ajay are best friends. Here, Anna and Ajay both are similar, both are friends. That's why we are using conjunction and to join both names. The next example is Ashu is running and kicking a football. Here we are looking that there are two things happening together, running and kicking. That's why we have used conjunction and. So with the help of these two examples, we came to know that and is used to join words or sentences together which are similar. Now, the next conjunction is or. This is used to show a choice or alternative. For example, what will Jojo eat, burger or hamburger? Here Jojo has two options and he has to choose one of them, and that's why we will use the conjunction or. Or is used always for option, choice or alternative. Let's see the next example. She will color her hair in black or brown shade. Here again we see that she has two options, black color or brown color. She will use one of them. That's why we have used the conjunction or. So the both examples are telling that or is used in the case when we have two options and where we have to choose one of them. Now the next conjunction, because. Because is used to say why something happens. For example, Manu is sad because he has fever. Here, why is Manu sad? The reason is he has fever. So whenever we have to tell about the reason, we must use conjunction because. Let's see the next one. Both look alike because they are twins. As they are twins, that is the reason they look alike. So both examples are telling wherever there is kind of reason or any reason, we must use conjunction because. Because is the conjunction which is used to say why something happens. Now let's see the next conjunction. So, so. So is used to show that the second idea is the result of the first. For examples, this is a beautiful place, so everyone likes it. Why does everyone like it? Okay, because this is the beautiful place. Now let's see the next example. he is ill. So he is in the hospital. Here, he is in the hospital is the result of his status. And what is his status? That he is ill. So here we have to understand, whenever we see the result of previous action, there we must use conjunction so. So is used to show the result of the first action. The next conjunction is but. But is used to join opposite thoughts, things, those are different. For example, children are going to school but they are happy. Generally what happens, most of the students don't want to go to school, and that's why they don't like, they become sad or angry or they started crying. But here children are going to school but they are happy. Two opposite things happen together. That's why we have used conjunction but. Let's move towards the next example. This house is small but colorful. Here we see that house is small, but the good point is that it is colorful. So two opposite things are here also. That's why we have used conjunction but. With the help of these two examples, we came to know that but is used to join opposite thoughts, things, those are different. Now students, this is the time for practice. Let's see how much did we understand. Use correct conjunction to add these two sentences. For example, Rohan is ill. Second sentence, he is in the hospital. So here we have to understand that Rohan is ill, he is in the hospital. That is telling that he is in the hospital is the result. So if there is result, we must use conjunction so. So answer will be Rohan is ill, so he is in the hospital. The next example, both look alike. And the second sentence, they are twins. So what would be here? Both look alike because they are twins. So here they are twins is the reason. That's why we must use conjunction because. So students, I hope these two examples are clear to you. Now let's move towards the exercise. Now there are three pair of sentences. The first pair has two sentences. She is beautiful, she is intelligent. You have to use correct conjunction to add these two sentences. Second, children are going to school, they are happy. Third, she will color her hair in brown shade, she will color her hair in black shade. You have to add these sentences with proper conjunction. Pause the video and write the answer. Let's see the answers. First sentence, she is beautiful and intelligent. Here we have used the conjunction and because beautiful and intelligent both are positive qualities. So and is the correct conjunction. Now let's see the second answer. Children are going to school but they are happy. Here we have to use conjunction but because as I told earlier that most of the time it is just opposite condition. So but is the right conjunction. The third answer is she will color her hair in brown or black shade. So here you have to understand that or is the correct conjunction. She has two options and she has to choose one of them. So or is the correct conjunction. Students, you must understand that whatever conjunctions we have learned today, these are some. There are so many conjunctions in English grammar. Some other conjunctions are neither nor, either or, nothing but, not only but also, although, as, and many more. We will understand all these conjunctions in our next video. Thank you students for watching this video with sincerity. I hope that it will be helpful for all of you to understand conjunctions. Thank you once again.